So what you will get? 1 upon Vt Is e raised to Vbe by Vt at Q point into Vbe. This value is nothing but your collector current ICQ, capital I suffix capital C suffix capital Q. So what I can write? Change in IC with respect to change in VBE. If I am writing separately only the derivative part, so what I will have? I will have 1 upon Vt e raised to Is into e raised to Vbe by Vt at Q point, and this entire part can be substituted as capital ICQ. So what I can write? Capital ICQ equals to Is e raised to Vbe by Vt at Q point. So what I can say? The total equation, change in IC with respect to change in Vbe, is nothing but ICQ upon Vt. So you got the relation as ICQ upon Vt. Now ICQ upon Vt, it is current upon voltage, so we can write it as Gm equals to ICQ upon Vt. Now Gm is nothing but the transconductance. Why it is called as transconductance? You can say this conductance Gm, what it does, it relates a current in collector, that is output, you can say, to a voltage in the input, that is base emitter circuit. Then we can call it as transconductance. The dependency of output current on the input voltage is shown by this conductance, hence we call it as transconductance circuit. Now how to draw the AC equivalent model? Now what we have got? We have got Gm and R pi. Now how to draw the AC equivalent model? Now when you look over here, we have found the resistance R pi in the derivation. So it is between the base and emitter. You can see here V suffix small b small e, V suffix small b small e, right? This is pure AC values. So what we have got? We have got the value of R pi and we have got the value of Gm into Vbe, because when the final analysis what we have got after this we have got change in IC with respect to Vb, but you have the final equation as IC equals to Gm into this multiplier Vbe. So what we have got? The collector current is Gm into Vbe, which is shown over here as Gm into Vbe. This is how we are drawing the AC equivalent circuit. Did you get how R pi we have derived and how we have got Gm into Vbe, and this is incorporated in the model? This is how you draw the AC equivalent circuit of the transistor. What we have done is the basic transistor circuit, this transistor part we have replaced with this model. We have replaced the transistor with this model. How you have got R pi Gm Vb, that you know, and this is the method of finding the AC equivalent or hybrid pi model. Why it is called as hybrid pi? You have the resistance R pi, so it is called as hybrid pi model of the transistor.